Eminence Front X5 and Larry Word here, coming to you from, well, Longstreet Cabin. I'm going to be walking up there right now and checking out Longstreet's cabin. Come check this out with me. We'll then be going over to a place called Longstreet Casino, because they have some artifacts there as well, and a little bit of history. Come check this out. Okay, so I have only been here a few times, but I've never gotten a recording of this thing because, well, it's just too bumpy for me. And with this new Sony action camera, I'm pretty set. I'm pretty happy. So it's just a quick little walk down this wooden path. Look at this big heart-shaped rock. Isn't that awesome? Jack Longstreet had a pretty gunslinger kind of, past. He was known as a kind of a badass, but not in a good way. He had a bad reputation. Anyway, he did a lot of things. One of them was stagecoach gunslinger kind of guy. He was like a hired gun. Anyway, one of his professions was prospecting, and some of his travels took him out into these hills out here for prospecting. He also got involved with a shootout with some Mormons, and near Johnny Mine, not too far from Johnny Mine, and just west of it, I believe. And well, shoot, I'm going to stop my jabbering right now because here is the restored cabin of Jack Longstreet. Pretty cool. Let's walk around it real quick. First off, you kind of notice the roof has stone on top of it. It's pretty nicely built. It's kind of cool to know that Jack Longstreet used to walk around these parts. It's kind of cool. Oh, look at that. It's like a lean-to. Not a lean-to. What do you call it? Like an earth ship. Probably helped with cooling, in the hot summer. Most definitely. So the parking lot is right where that outhouse is, right there. Just past the big rock we walked by. So it's just a quick walk down here to see this. It's pretty cool. Side door. Very small cabin. Nicely built, though. You can see how thick that wall is there. It's like an adobe kind of wall, I guess. Is that what you call it? Sort of bookshelf. From the outside, this looks like a door. Yeah, Jack Longstreet's cabin. Isn't that nice? I don't see any bullet holes in the walls or anything. Oh, wait. Could that be? Who knows? Bizarro. Very cool. love this place. Okay, let's press on. Let's go see what's down over at... Oh, could that be? Is that a bullet? Oh dear, I'm getting carried away. You would think there would be a fireplace in here. I don't see anything like that here. Anyway. Fairbanks Morse. Sitting outside of Jack Longstreet, well, Longstreet Casino here. Fairbanks Morse. Big flywheel there. Looks like a compressor, no? I don't know what the heck is this, guys. It's one of the artifacts sitting out here in front of Longstreet. Here's an ore cart. Guess I've never seen one before. That's what they look like. There's the handle to release the back. To tilt it, I guess. All kinds of artifacts. There's another ore cart right here. Some kind of tank. Water? Fuel? I don't know. A lot of stuff out here. The owner of the casino is a collector of these types of antiques. And that's how we have some of the information we're looking for on Jack Longstreet. We've seen these types of memorials everywhere, even at Area 51. And here is a statue of Jack Longstreet himself. Can't see his ears in this one. He has bushy hair around it. So, but yeah, here we go. Jack Longstreet. Look at this little buggy. Snow buggy? That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, look. I think it's pretty cool. I sit in this often. Phonograph. It's a lot of fun here. Just hanging out. Fridge. Back when they used to look like this, folks. I guess that's the compressor on the top. Not quite sure. But some interesting stuff that is here is the TNT Railroad schedule, in which they list a lot of the stops along the route. Everything from Ludlow down to Beatty, or up to Beatty. Which is interesting because a lot of these places I've been to, it's really interesting. And an old map. I think this map is from the 1914s, and it's a lot of the roads and railways through the Southern California and southwestern Nevada. On display here. One thing that I really wanted to show you guys, besides all these great little things hanging out here, is the image of Jack Longstreet. By the way, if you guys know where this might have been taken at. I'd love to know. I'm guessing it might be in Baker, but it's really hard to tell. But I'm really interested in going to this very spot and taking another photo of what it looks like today. Anyway, if you have any clue, let me know. This is Jack Longstreet. Picture was taken in 1920. Circa 1920. Somewhere in Nye County. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Off to the next adventure.